Hey YouTube, I'm coming to show you my 2-month update using the Chebe Hair Mask by Chebe Magic. It can be purchased at chebemagic.com. And just a reminder that I'm doing the Chebe Mask on the right side of my head, front and back, and the traditional method on the left side of my head, front and back. And the mask will be used a total of 3 months before washing. And this is how much shedding I got from the front section. Not much, mostly product buildup. And then I'm just going to do a quick length check for the front section. And this is water in the bottle just for those who are concerned. And it kind of makes it harder to comb through because this product is thicker than the traditional one. So you get a lot of gooiness. And I'm going to show you where I am now. And then my other finger will be placed where I was last month. So I got a little bit of growth there. And I'm just going to grab a marker to mark it so that we can keep up with it. I know my shirt looks really dirty, but it's from the product, and I'm not going to wash the shirt because I'm scared the marks will leave and then we won't know where I was beforehand. So a couple more months before we can wash the shirt and the hair. I'm going to show you a quick length check in the back. And there will be a picture inserted from where I was last month. And of course the video is where I am this month. And it looks like we're a little below the 8, between the 8 and the bra line. So we gained about an inch because before we were between the other two lines. And this is how much shedding I got from the back section. Again, there's really not much shedding. It's mostly the gooiness from the product. And then I'm just going to show you what I mean by like how gooey the product is and how the buildup is different from the traditional method. You can see how stiff it is. It's like it's clay molded together. So this is me threaded back up until next month. Hope you guys enjoyed it.